10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30, flat crest, 70. Flat short 4 right, 50. Flat short 4 plus left, 70. Flat crest, 100. Short 4 plus right, don't, into short 5 minus left, 70. Short 5 minus right, into 4 left, hook, opens. Line 150 over brow. Five plus right, 30. Flat crest, line 200 over brow. Right into crest, into 5 plus left. Into flat 6 right, 70. Five plus left over crest. And early 5 right over crest half. KR tightens late 3 plus narrow. Down 30. Short 4 plus right. Into 4 left. Line 150. Keep left into brake 5 right. Tightens turn 3 minus. Go 100. Flat 5 right, 100. Flat 6 left, 400.
I don't know what's faster, lift or fall.
Yeah. 5 plus right, 70. Turn early 6 left into flat slight right at farm. $70. Flat runs over crest. All right, pull over right. Richo's here. Richo's here. Okay. Runs over crest into slight left. $70. 5 plus right, 120.
God, we're gonna lose a lot of time.
Yep. Keep left over flat crest at 6 left half. Into narrow 4 plus right. 50. 6 minus left. And 5 right half. Into early 5 minus left. Early 5 minus left into 6 right, tightens 5. Entry 3 left. 50. Flat 5 plus right. and 4 plus left, 50, flat slight right, 50, 4 left, open 6 half, and marbles 5 right, 30, short 5 left into early 5 right, 50, 6 minus right, into left, into 4 right, don't, and flat 6 left, 30, marble 6 right, line 50, keep right over flat crest, into short 5 plus right, 70, 6 left, and 5 minus right, opens 30, tightens marbles 4, 30, 5 left, 50, marbles, flat 6 left, and 4 minus right, up 30, 3 plus right hug, into turn late 3 left, go 50, 5 left, and flat right 200.
Doug,
I'm looking, I'm not seeing them.
pass. Doesn't say pass.
No, that's for me to push it. Flat left 50. Alright, now it's in it. Go to the right. Minus right, hook, over kick, excuse me, into crest ruts, into short 5 left don't, into slight right, 30, flat crest, and flat left, 250, flat crest, 350, flat crest 70, so 350 here, alright car, go to the right, so flat crest 70, lift brow into short 6 left, into short 6 right over crest, down up, ruts 300, crest, brake after tree, 50, caution 4 left, $150, early 6 left over crest, into 5 minus right, opens 30, tightens 4 minus don't, marbles 100, brake, caution, turn 2 left at puffy tree, 50, crest into early 3 right, 70, 4 plus left 50, 4 right quarter 50, 6 right, line 150. Rough, brow into 6 minus right, 50. Small kick into flat, 6 plus left, 100. Six right rough, 50. 4 left rocks into short 5 minus right, 150. 4 plus left over brow, 50. 4 right, open 6, rough starts, 50. Short 5 left, 30. Flat 6 right over crest, 30. 5 minus left and rough, 5 minus right, 50. 5 plus left cut, 50. 6 left over brow, tightens 5 minus off camber. 100 over rough. Early, 5 plus left, 70. Rough, 5 minus right, half, 70. Four plus left, 50. Flat 6 right, 120. 6 minus left, quarter over brow, 100. Flat, keep left over brow, and short 6 minus right, 50. Flat left over brow, into keep right, brake 50, 3 minus left before poles, don't. 100, finish 250. Well, that sucked a lot.
3, 4,
5.
fuck. Now we lost our volume.
Yep.